Hi everyone, welcome back. My classic happy planner for the last week in January. And this week I had a fun idea that I would color it, and I started coloring it and then I was like, I'm gonna do it on the video. I was just gonna like color it and be like, look, I colored it, but then I'm just gonna do it fast speed, but I'm gonna use my Tombow markers. I didn't do this one with the water, but I saw online, I think it was on their Instagram, that if you just like paint them with water, then it will blend it because they're like a water-based marker or something. So we're gonna try that and see how it turns out. So that's gonna be like where most of my decoration comes from. I don't know exactly what we're doing 100% yet. When I was in high school, I used to like to draw like this ribbon design, so I think we might try doing some of that. But I'm still gonna need to use like my boxes and stuff, so I'm gonna do that. First, let me get my white out. I do need bills to pay. Do I want to leave it like that or make it more like that? Choices. I think we're gonna go with coloring it. That will add decoration. I'm still gonna put my habit tracker in, but I'm gonna start coloring it first. And I don't know if this was in camera or not, but I kind of organized them in like semi-blending colors. Damn, it needs to be there. Let's do like that. Hopefully that's it, if I remember based on their like color. So I think I'm gonna just try and do like a ribbon all over the edge, blended like this, not black, but yeah.
See a pacifier on it.
Okay, I do know I have something on Sunday, and then I get paid this day, so I need a bills to pay, to-do list, things to do with my children. So let's do that. I might have workouts or something. So I'm thinking like just like a box and then write in something like that. Might be cool. Yeah, so let's try that. Okay, that did not work. So luckily it is a sticker and we can just hopefully get that back off. Throw it away. It's too small an area and you can't see anything. It just turned into a big blob. So fix that. I'm just gonna go ahead and put white out over that wet sticker too. No problem. Put another box down. And maybe just write it in without getting it wet. We'll try that. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then like on the days of the week I'll probably like when I like if something comes up, because right now it's like December, so I don't have really anything planned, but as stuff comes up, I'll just like put a highlighter down and then write over it. Oh, I did say I have something on the 30th, so we'll just go ahead and use this marker here. And just do like that, and then write in, on this day I were teacher Sunday school, so like, I'll write that in later, but, because I want to take a picture of the before the pin, and then write stuff in. Yeah, so we'll do something like that in different colors throughout the day. I think it's really cute. I like this idea. I don't know how well that water trick worked, but it's okay. That one seems to be getting like blurrier the more I look at it, but it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, so if you liked the video, please hit the like button. If there's any tips on like better blending with the brush pens, then please comment them down below. And I'll see you next time. Oh, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.